create clever kids.
Oh my goodness, what is this? It's the Flying Tiger ABC suitcase. This is a great toy because it has letters that are magnetic in a metal suitcase. It looks like a lunchbox from the 80s. And one thing that you'll notice when you buy letters like this, typically, you can't actually spell many words because they just give you A, B, C, D, and so on. But they don't give you multiples of the same letter, but this case does. So we have several A's, several B's, several C's, etc., so that we can actually write out words. So let's open the box and take a look. Alright, we can see here the box. And we have a few words here already written. We have pinto and peso. Wow, let's write a few more words again. I'm going to just take out some random letters and try to make a new word. Okay, so for my first letter is, what do I have? I have a D. And what do I have next? I have a G. And an N. Oh boy, can I write a word with these letters? Let's see. We need some vowels. K. I'm not sure if I can write anything with these words. A V. Oh my goodness. We need some vowels here. And an A. Okay, we got an A finally. We got any more letters? Any more vowels? Let's try to get another vowel. Oh, we got an O. Alright, so we can make a few words here. Let's see. We can write G, O, D. Okay, God. What else can we write? We can write V, A, N. We can write van. Okay, now I have a U. What can I write with a U? I can write R, U. Let's see. N. And what do we have here? We have run. So cool. Let's write a few more words, shall we? Alright, next we have letter M. We have letter O. We have letter, let's see, W. What could we write here? Nothing with that. We have letter P. Okay, we can make a word there. Make P-O-W, but we're just not going to do that. P. Actually, like this. P-O. So like that. M-O-P. What's that word? It's a mop. What do we use mops for, Jellybean? We use mops for cleaning the floor. What else do we have? We have H, O, G. Hog. Do you know this word, hog? A hog is another word for a pig. Usually a large male pig. Okay, let's try another word. We have Y, W, Z, U. Can we make a word there? Let's see. No, I don't think so. Not yet. V. We can make it H. Nothing yet. How about a T? Can we make a word there? Maybe. Let's see. Hut. Yeah, we can make hut. A hut is a very small house. H, U, T. hut. So what words did we write here? We wrote hog, hut, and mop. Can we make any more words? I think so. Let's make 3 more words, shall we? Okay, oh, we got an I this time. We got a G. We got a K. We got a E. Okay, we made a word right there. A keg. A keg is like a large barrel full of liquid. A keg. Can we make any other words? So we got an O. Let's get a few more letters. We got an A. Oh, and more vowels. Good. And we got another A. Oh my goodness, 2 A's. Ooh, what could we write there? Let's see. You made the Somalian flag. Good. G. See, oh, I think we could write gecko. Let's see if we can write gecko. Gecko is a kind of lizard. We can put G. E. C. K. Oh my goodness, we can do it. Gecko. Gecko's garage, right? A gecko is a cute little lizard that climbs trees and eats insects. Gecko. Oh no, eats insects? Oh, because the gecko's hungry. He has to eat something. Alright, let's make one more word, shall we? Okay, we got a Y. A. So do we have a K? If we have a K, we can write yak. We have D. Oh, no, that's not D. What is that? J. We could write the name J. Do you have any friends named J? Jellybean, do you know anyone named J? A jay is also a term for a bird, like a blue jay. A jay is a type of bird. Okay, I think that's enough spelling for today, but I highly recommend this toy because it's very educational, and the fact that they give you multiple letters means there's multiple options, and even I, as an adult, was, challenged by this. It's kind of fun to take these letters and try to create words from the letters given. It reminds me of Scrabble somewhat. The fact that it's magnetized is great. The fact that it's in a little lunchbox pail is great. And the fact that they give you multiple letters are great as well. So Flying Tiger, the ABC Suitcase, or as they say, the ABC Couvert, highly recommended. Create clever kids.